to reset secure folder password on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, if you forgot the password and if you have the Samsung account assigned to the secure folder on your phone, then you should be able to find the forgot option. So if you have like a pattern, it's going to say forgot pattern just like here. You can tap on this option and then you can reset it with the help of your Samsung account, as you can see over here. However, if you do not have the Samsung account assigned to your secure folder, so if I go over here and if I disable the allow lock reset option, let me also lock the secure folder as well. So in this case, if you don't remember the password, then you will see that there is no option to recover it. There is simply, it's not possible to find it in here. So in that case, in order to reset the secure folder password, you need to go to settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down to go to accounts and backup. Next, we're gonna proceed to manage accounts, and you want to sign out of your Samsung account. I'm gonna remove the account over here, so let me quickly do so. Alright, there we go. The account is now removed, and if I go to the secure folder, now I have the option to uninstall the secure folder. Of course, this means that everything that you have inside the secure folder is going to be erased as a result. But if you decide to still perform the reset, then of course you can uninstall the secure folder, and then the next time you set it up, then of course you can once again choose the password that you wish to use for the secure folder. And if you decide to sign back into your Galaxy account, then of course you will have the option to enter the password in case you actually memorize the password, if you get it back into your mind. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.